Hello, I'm Kevin Lichtenberg, Vice President and General Manager of Giddings Lewis. I truly believe we've got the finest team of craftsmen in the machine tool industry working here at our plant in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. In addition, I firmly believe that our product lineup, our product development pipeline, and our operational performance are as strong as I've seen during my 24 years working here. We would love to have you come and visit us in Fond du Lac to see firsthand our commitment to quality and our continuous improvement through programs we've invested in like Lean Six Sigma and QRM. Since a trip to Fond du Lac might be a challenge for your entire team, we've decided to bring a little bit of Fond du Lac to you. Please take a few short minutes now to hear from several of our employees in the upcoming video. You have my personal commitment and the commitment of every employee working here that we will build you a quality machine, we will deliver it on time, and we will provide you with local service when it's needed that our foreign competition simply cannot match. We will do everything possible to exceed your expectations and to make purchasing a G&L the safest, most risk-free choice for you and for your organization. Thank you.
Between the three of us, which includes myself, Billy Huizinga, and Mike Schmidt, we have 114 years of combined machining experience. All our major components come across the top of this plant. Recently, we did a 57-foot long section of runway for a floor-type boring machine. The guide edges were cut straight within 7/10 total air. I know we build the best machine tools in the world, and they're made right here in America.
Hi, my name's Mark. I've been running this machine for the last 12 years. The part I'm running right now is a spindle for our horizontal boring mills.
Hi, I'm Greg. It's my job to grind to the exacting tolerances required for our spindle sleeves, spindles, and drive shafts. We grind for precision fits on our bearing diameters on our spindle sleeves. We grind for tolerances under 5 microns for our spindles and drive shafts.
Our RT boring mill does our parts for our HPMs and our vertical turning center lines. Precision milling and boring on these products. I've been here for 37 years, and I can honestly say that we make the best machines in the industry.
My name is Randy, and I've been with Giddings Lewis for 35 years. And I'm a scraper. My job is to make sure these edges and flats are within 2/10,000ths of an inch, 10 inches. We do the columns, beds, and saddles.
Hi, my name's Tony. I've been here 25 years. Right now I'm working on our latest design headstock. It's a contouring head combined with a live spindle. It's a high precision machine, and in this room here it's climate controlled to keep contamination from getting in any of the bearings or spindles or gears, and we take a lot of pride in our work and what we do in here.
Hi, I'm Vicki. I've been here 2 years as part of a 4-year apprenticeship program at Giddings Lewis. I am learning how to build the machines. Part of this apprenticeship program, I get to learn every department within the company, so it's a fantastic opportunity. They pay for my schooling, and I get on-the-job training.
Hello, my name is Brian Kiefer. I work in quality assurance. Right now on the table, we have an HPM headstock. This is a typical part that we manufacture right here in a spec at Giddings Lewis. The capacity of this machine will check a part 200 inches long by 80 inches wide and 80 inches high. We would love to check your parts here at Giddings Lewis. Thanks for watching, and have a great manufacturing day.
Hi, my name is Tom.
started here at Giddings Lewis in 1974. I've held a few jobs over the years, but presently I've been in the wiring department for 27 years. Predominantly work on the 480 machine line, wire all the components up. It's a very good, high quality machine. Probably for the last 15, 16 years we've incorporated the Profibus and I/O distribution system on these machines, which makes them a lot more reliable, a lot cleaner, a lot less cumbersome, and it's a very high quality machine, and I believe we're the only HPM builder left in the United States.
Hi, my name is Dennis. I'm a master assembler for Giddings Lewis. I've been employed here for 25 years. Part of the job of a master assembler is to be involved in production of the machine, from unit assembly to main erection and final assembly. Once the machine ships to the customer's facility, a master assembler, along with the field tech, will install your machine as quickly as we can, and we'll not leave that plant until it runs efficiently.
Hi, I'm Mark. I work in the final inspection department. Currently I'm performing a ball bar check on this RT1600. We like to use the ball bar check because it allows us to dynamically check the machine alignments and its contouring capabilities simultaneously. This is one of many checks that we use to ensure that we ship a quality product. Thank you for considering Giddings Lewis for your machine tool needs. I look forward to inspecting your machines in the future.
Hi, I'm Doug. I started at Giddings Lewis 25 years ago as an engineering co-op. A lot has changed over the years, but one thing that hasn't changed is that we make and test high precision machine tools here in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. When the machine hits the floor and after it's assembled, I set up all electrical, mechanical, and safety systems on the machine. And after the machine is inspected, we put it through a rigorous 48-hour cycling program to ensure that it's ready to go when it hits your production floor.
Hello, my name is Jim Spendler, Director of Operations for FIV Giddings Lewis. I started here over 30 years ago as a machinist apprentice. I've worked in many different departments, learning the business. I'm excited about the things happening here at FIV Giddings Lewis. I'd like to share a couple of them with you very quickly. In 2005, we reintroduced the apprenticeship program, and today we have 36 graduated journeyman machinists, assemblers, and inspectors working in our facility. In 2001, we launched Lean Six Sigma, and we have several hundred projects completely implemented and showing results every day in our facility. So we made several changes to the organization. Last year in 2013, we launched 8 new product development projects. Very exciting, new revolutionary technology to advance manufacturing. So I welcome you to come visit FIV Giddings Lewis and see the great things that are happening here by our people in this facility. Thank you very much for spending the time listening to this video. I look forward to your visit.